How to fix unresponsive iPhone screen. The only thing you can do, guys, is to fix if your iPhone is not responding when you try to do one or two things on your iPhone and it's not responding like the one you see on the screen. Then all you have to do is very simple, guys. Tap on this button, volume up, volume down. Then go ahead and tap on this power button and hold for a few seconds until it comes up like this. Keep holding. If you miss it out again, guys, just tap on the volume up, volume down, and hold the power button on it goes up like this, and keep holding until it brings it out the Apple logo again. So you have to keep holding until it shows off the Apple logo. When it brings out the Apple logo, what this does is that it restarts your phone, thereby fixing all necessary or unnecessary issues that makes your iPhone not to respond when you tap on the screen. So just wait for it, guys, to load up. Once it's loaded up like this, guys, go ahead and provide your password again. Then, guys, your iPhone will start response very well. So if you get this tip, if not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.